This is the mental health building of the multiple stage 2 redevelopment of Joondalup Hospital. Currently we've got building M and the car park over the other side going. This will be a mental health facility for the government. We're currently doing our first ground slab, first of 5. It's 120 cubic metres of concrete. It took a lot to get up to this point. We started off in the ground, demolitioning the car park that was existing here, doing the lower footings, working our way through. We poured probably about 60% of the footings and columns of this job already. There's a lot of intricate work, having to work in with the earth workers, the different services. As you can see, there's a lot of bathrooms in this slab, so there's a lot of in-ground services to work in. But it was good coordination and it's come through pretty well, and it's turning into a good first slab pour. As you can see, we're a bit progressed through. We should be finishing up this afternoon and it's looking good. We started the mental health unit late last year. We're expected to finish structure in the middle of the year, starting facade around the middle of the year, and then completing next year.